In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online for a Ryanair flight. So if you want to check in online on your Ryanair, what you can do is you just need to head over to their site on your browser by going to ryanair.com/gv/n/lp/check-in. You can also just simply search for Ryanair check-in and you should be able to see right here this. So with this Ryanair portal, you can manage your bookings, check in and get your boarding pass, and view and manage your support cases. So for this case, you just need to head over and then log in to your account. You can click on login right here, or you can just enter right there your reservation number in order to look for the flight that you want to check in. So once you have found the flight associated with your name, you can head over and click on the check-in option that should be able to appear right there. So once you have clicked on that, it will generate a boarding pass for you that you can use for your upcoming flight. Do take note that it actually only allows you to check in 2 days before your flight. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.